Hello to all my pioneers out there. Listen, Elon Musk may have just helped the Pi Network in some way, shape, form, or fashion, as well as many other altcoins. What up? You got Mr. Smith, point five of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and in this brief video, I want to talk to you about something that Elon Musk said and did that can be a benefit to your Pi wallet. If you don't already have Pi, don't even know what Pi is, then I highly encourage you to get your piece of the pie. And by doing so, all you have to do is click the available link below and get some free Pi crypto. Just real quick, Pi is a crypto that hasn't even been launched yet. They took a different approach. Many cryptos launch and then they try to build the community. Pi decided to build the community before they launch. So it's already over 17 million pioneers who saw some form of value in it. And when it launch, we will be pushing it. And I'm pushing it now just because I see the value in it. And I'll tell you how that ties into what Elon Musk did as it relates to what Pi cryptocurrency is all about. But definitely grab you some now. If you're not already a part of the Pi network, grab some now. It allows you to mine mobilely. So every day your Pi is increasing, and then once Pi hits the main net, you're in a position so that you literally have an infinite return because you didn't pay a dime for any of the Pi. And then whatever is worth once it first gets launched will, determine what your value is based on how soon you take action. So time is highly important. So don't think about it. Tap into it, and it's the first of its kind. It's the most known crypto that's not even officially on the main net yet because of the method that they went about doing it. So do not sleep on that. And I'm not even the type to try to sell you on something. I just see that it, you have nothing to lose, and I feel that it has a huge potential. Now, what did Elon Musk say? What did Elon Musk do that may help you as well as other cryptocurrencies, and definitely some other cryptocurrencies? Now, what he said was this. Elon said that Tesla will no longer be accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment in order to purchase a Tesla. Now, that's pretty huge. That's pretty huge. It was huge for him to say that they were accepting it. So that helped with Bitcoin skyrocketing and things of that nature, because it's like, okay, this coin can actually be used for some type of tangible item. So that helped the space and the cryptocurrency as a whole. However, a lot of people buy Bitcoin and hold on to it. They're not really interested in selling it or buying something with it, because they understand that if I buy something with it, then I miss out on the potential growth that may come from holding on to the Bitcoin. So they're not just as anxious to use it in that form, because they know that they're going to buy something that may not be appreciating in value as Bitcoin would or could. So they're not actually using it. That's one thing. And that's, he didn't say that was one of the reasons. The reason that he spoke on was the fact that when it comes to mining, the amount of carbon dioxide, basically how much of a pollutant the emissions are as it relates to the mining process, can be detrimental to pretty much the ecosystem or the globe. It's a word that I'm looking for. It'll come to me later. But it can be detrimental. And he also said that it's can be worse than, how the fuel is detrimental to the environment. Environment, that was the word I was looking for. So what you got to understand is this. There are a lot of other cryptocurrencies that are solving the issue to make sure that the mining has the level of energy that's required in order to maintain everything that it needs to have a solid infrastructure as it relates to their blockchain, but at the same time do it in a way that's green, that's eco-friendly. Now, how is that applicable to the Pi network? Pi's network was built on the intention of being eco-friendly, being able to mine from your phone by being able to tap in and create security circles of individuals who you've shared this information with, shared the Pi crypto with, and it helps the whole ecosystem grow, the blockchain grow, as well as helps your account grow as you start to share this with other people, or as I share this with other people as well. So it kills a couple of things all at one time. So understand the power of that, even though it may not be worth nothing now, because I hear people and I see people all the time talking about, well, it's not worth anything. True. Right now, it's not. But you got to have vision, because it's a lot of things that wasn't worth something that's worth a whole lot now, but you didn't have the vision to tap into it, or I didn't have the vision to tap into it when it was worth nothing. That's the best time to consider it. Like, hey, it's not, worth anything, but if you can see it and have some level of conviction, and then what you got to understand is it's already 17 plus million people who have tapped in to the Pi network. If you haven't noticed already, us as a people is what really makes anything valuable. When you see these other cryptocurrencies, and back to my point of Elon Musk helping benefit other coins, he's big on Doge. If you're into Elon Musk and what he's into, then you definitely see that he, feel like he's the Doge father. And there's some other coins that benefit as well. Shiba seems like it may benefit from the things that he's doing, but he's big on these particular coins. Now, what you got to understand is this. They start to rally up and start to gain some momentum, but it wasn't because of Elon Musk solely. It's because of the cult-like following that he has, and it's the individuals who buys into what it is that he says and believes in, or at least alludes to, or at least jokes about. So the currency is in us, in the people. So Pi having over 17 million before it even hits mainnet is powerful, and something that hadn't been done before to my knowledge. So tap into it. Literally all you have to do is click the available link. Make sure you use the coupon code Mobile Crypto. So use the invite code Mobile Crypto, spelled exactly how it sounds, but if you click the link below, you automatically get connected, so you can take advantage of it. And if it winds up being worth something, come back and holler at me and say, hey, you introduced me to this and I'm glad you did. Or if it winds up being worth nothing, come back to this video or to the channel and say, hey, I wasted my time downloading that app. But you won't lose any money. But consider some of the other cryptos out there as well as some high value or high potential cryptos that are available now for those of you who want to dive into it. And we'll be going over into some on more videos. But for now, I just wanted to speak on Elon Musk, what he said, how they could benefit the crypto space as a whole, especially the undervalued cryptos that have a great run-up potential. That's all I got for this video. Mr. Smith signing out. Salute.